YouTube, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we have a giant box. And I'm pretty sure it only has one shoe. We're going to talk about that some more in a second. I'm Super Dan's shoe.
Like, look at it, and it's almost the size of your head.
Wait, big.
That was the joke.
That was mean.
I'm just kidding. You have a beautiful
I'm Super Dan's
head.
shoe man. This is Haley. And we've got another video today. This is an Adidas spin. We'll talk about it more in just a second. First, though, before we go any further, a word from our sponsor. Haley, who's our sponsor?
Jesus.
Matthew chapter 27, verse
36?
46.
Oh.
Jesus was hanging from the cross, and he looks up to God, and he says, my God, why have you forsaken me?
And then in Hebrews 13:5, it says, God will never leave you or forsake you. And we both believe this. We all believe this because Jesus took all the forsaking for us.
So that we don't have to be
forsaken.
Right. So that God doesn't have to turn his back on me. When he looks at me, he sees the perfection of Jesus, which is really himself, because he gave that and traded it to us. So thank you so much, Jesus.
Thank you
for sponsoring us and this video and everything that we do.
Something alive in here.
So this box is giant. So this happens, I think this has happened at least twice from Adidas, where I get some box in the mail and I'm like, ooh, maybe they messed up and sent me something that they weren't supposed to. This giant box,
they just send.
It kind of makes me think maybe Haley just mentioned it. Are there two shoes in here? Maybe there are.
Maybe it's like packed.
Maybe they messed up and sent me more than one. This shoe's been sitting here for weeks still, and I'm finally now making this video. And I hope this is the one that Miguel wanted to see. So I got to meet up with Miguel tomorrow to give him back some shoes that he let me borrow. Oh my god. Nope.
That was lame.
Jabron.
I was gonna make that joke. What is this? Oh, it's just the box.
It's the.
Ew, this is an ugly box.
This is all ripped up because it can jump around in that box.
It's been jumping around, you know. That was so good.
This is just paper.
So good. And so cute.
Yeah, this is the one.
Oh, it's Bad Bunny.
This is the one I wanted to open. Bad Bunny Forum. Clonix C. White. Look at this.
He speaks Spanish.
Clowny?
Chloe.
Kalani?
Chloe.
Okay.
Chloe.
Whatever. Alright. This is a Bad Bunny eye with a diamond in it.
It's because he's a part of the Illuminati.
Illuminati?
Yep.
Is that really why?
I think so.
Get that over there. Bunny with
That's so cute.
Crosses on his eyes. Bad Bunny.
All he sees is Jesus.
We get the Adidas up here. I don't really think that's him.
No, I know. I was kind of making a joke.
Let's see if I can get this out of here without tearing
No,
it up.
it gets underside.
Okay, if this is open. Oh, this is a...
Oh, it's going to come out. I don't know why it's a random accent.
What? Alright, so
Say,
don't touch that.
Oh, sorry. Say what? Is this clothes or shoes?
This looks like...
Like knee pads.
Pads. Or this will date me and it'll date y'all if you know what this is. It looks like what you'd put on, I mean, it's not really, but it reminds me of what you put on your sun visor in your car that holds CDs.
Oh, Mama has one of those. With CDs in it, but there's nowhere for the CDs to go. It's just in her car.
What?
She got a new like stereo thing. It
She
used
still
to have
got 'em in
CDs.
her car.
Yeah, she just didn't take them out.
New laces.
Jabron
some
lames.
Chartreuse. Great. No, I like this.
No, those are not.
This is a hoodie. Just kidding.
Oh my gosh, that was really. I was gonna take it.
So far, packaging and everything's really cool.
We spent half of the price of this was just the packaging.
I don't think these are terribly expensive. I don't think they have a ton of resale either. But if they do, Miguel may not be able to let you buy them for retail. Okay.
Oh wait, I think I might like these.
Oh, geez. Like giant. Oh, that's the pad.
Oh, I thought you were calling
You get
them
more
OGs.
pads?
Maybe you need to change the size of them.
2 isn't enough?
Oh, no, they're the same size.
2 isn't enough. You get...
So instead you get 3 extra.
What? That doesn't make any sense. What the heck is this?
Okay, let's read the tag. Zuh. Okay.
The? I
Zuh.
think that's pronounced the.
What?
The.
ZH is I mean, is
I couldn't see what you were reading.
Oh, it's just ZH.
All right, so this is not helpful at all
No,
for us
it
to
is-
understand
it is
what
not.
to do with this, but I'm going to use this
I
one.
like the buckles. It's kind of cute.
Yeah, this is a... I don't remember what kind of buckle this is.
Does it?
It's like fancy. Like
Like
a race car.
Oh.
Okay.
Wait, I'm seeing. Maybe I'm not. I'm not seeing, I don't think.
So you get 5 of these. Oh, okay. These are different. They have like things
Loops.
for your laces,
Loopies.
and I would definitely put on another pair of laces. Either one.
Mm-hmm.
Either one.
So those glow in the dark?
Those?
No, they're shoes.
I don't know. I don't think so. That's pretty cool. You get a Bad Bunny down here, Adidas all over here. I like the outsole. I like.
Wait. Shh.
It's raining.
Oh, it's pouring rain.
Okay, you get Ortholite crap insole, but it looks cool.
Ooh, that does look cool.
I don't like this flat. I don't like that.
Flat fat.
I think if this was a normally shaped form, not like all this bulk, maybe I'd just tie it tighter. It might be fine. What the heck is this tongue? No. Miguel,
I think that's very in right now.
the fat? I mean, this is like...
super. But okay, I watched a video about fashion predictions for 2023, and I agree with it. Like, she was talking about how bulky sneakers were like a really big thing in 2022. It was like everybody was just wearing the bulkiest sneakers, like
those Balenciagas. Are those nasty,
That was
giant
funny.
Quad hopper things?
Just bulky shoes in general.
Okay.
Like, not a specific kind, just in
But
general.
like that.
So, I don't know what you're talking about, so I can't agree with you. But and then I think there's gonna be a shift, and it's all gonna be like super small sneakers now. Like,
I don't think so.
oh, I think so.
We get some BB Aglets,
BB Aglets.
but they're just like plastic, normal. They're not anything special. Adidas on the tongue. I think this could have been good, but like this is just, look how it's like smushed.
It's like never mind.
I don't like that.
Yeah.
It's not for me.
It's not terrible.
It's
I don't
like
think
a
I would
dunk.
wear it. It would look good
It's
on
like
somebody.
the derpiness of a dunk that I don't like when
Yeah.
when most of them are built wrong, but worse, like 10 times worse. And it's derpy.
You know what else is derpy? Your face. Oh my gosh, this is hilarious.
Haley's mom and I aren't together anymore. We haven't been for a really long time. But I've always you're just saying your mom. I mean, not to Haley, but just in general.
I was gonna say
It's funny.
okay. I just need to insert. I need to
go first.
Okay, you go first. You go first.
And just saying that here and there, it's just funny. You don't mean it actually talking about anybody's mom. You just say it like.
I'm gonna show my mom this video.
And like forever, I wouldn't say those kind of jokes to Haley at all because I don't want her to think I'm talking about her mom like that. And so finally, I think she said it to me, and I was like, and she just cracked up laughing over this joke, and I was like, I've wanted to say those kind of jokes to you for years.
No, this is not true.
How'd it
Because
go?
ninth grade, we were on the way to a tennis match, and there were 3 girls in the back of the truck,
Yes.
and we were like, someone said something. I thought they made like a D's joke. You know what I mean?
Yes.
And I laughed at it, and I said it sounded like D, but I didn't finish it. And you looked at me and said, you like scoffed at me. You're so upset.
You
Yes.
just said scoff?
Yes, you were so mad at me that I laughed at that because of what I thought they said. And you're like, you're just trying to be so funny in front of your friends. Oh, you're so lame. And I was like, whatevs.
All right, but what about your mom? Is that not how it went? The way I just...
Oh, no, it is. I was just saying. But what I'm disagreeing with is it has not always been like you wanted to make these funny jokes. You said these kinds of jokes.
No, your mom
These
jokes.
is the same thing as your
I'm
mom.
talking about your mom jokes. Because these has nothing to do with your mom. With your mother. And I don't want you to think I'm talking bad about your mother.
Oh, I know you're not.
But if I just said something when you're 6 years old.
Okay, yeah, maybe.
So I just never have. And then Haley opened the door to me going with your mom jokes. So.
I've been waiting for this day for a long time. Since like 8th grade.
All right. Well, that was a funny story. Hopefully this is a better video because these shoes are hideous. And
Just like I'm just kidding.
but Miguel, I mean, if they're going for $300, I might have to sell them for $300. I mean, the material's nice. I like this rubberish stuff all over it. The buckle ain't bad, but what is this? And what is this? Like, why do we need 3 of these?
That's 4. Oh, 3 extra.
They're all exactly the same, except for the ones that are in it just don't have the nylon. What is this mess?
I have no idea. I don't know.
So y'all need to comment down below and tell me what the heck this is, because you're just gonna have to like educate me, because I don't know. But tell your grandma about these, I think, maybe.
Nah.
So, yeah.
I mean, I guess you could still
should.
tell your grandma,
And
but like
tell her
she's
just
not
to
gonna
come
like
over
them.
here and smash the like button. Maybe she knows what these things are for. Like, you know, your grandmas wear shoulder pads, right? In their Sunday,
Not my grandma.
In their Sunday blouses.
Not my cool grandma.
In their Sunday blouses. No, she does wear.
Grandma does not.
She'll come in
Aw.
and tell us. She has
Grandma.
clothes. I don't know. Maybe it was my grandma. I'm
Yeah.
sure it was my grandma or my mom, your grandma, when 20 years ago. 30
Right,
years
but I'm
ago.
saying grandma that I know. My grandma.
I don't know. I guess she can tell us if she wears shoulder pads. So these do look like, or built like skate shoes from when I was
Yeah.
Etnies are one. DC is another one. Who's the guy that had the Fantasy Factory?
Who?
TV
Willy
show.
Wonka?
She goes, Willy Wonka? I can't remember.
My face did not look like that.
Rob Dyrdek. I think he did. I think he created DC already.
Is he also part of like Duck Dynasty?
No.
Rob Dyrdek.
But those shoes were all bulky like this, and they were extra padded for skating. And I don't know if that's what these are supposed to be for, but they are
Looks
pretty
like
cool.
it.
Other than just the way they look, they're nice. So.
We're lying, guys.
Now tell me what you think about these down below. If you like this video, if you like the ridiculous banter between me and Haley, then make sure you're subbed so you can watch all of our videos. But leave us a comment, tell us what you think, and I'll see you all next time.
You're so pretty.
Say bye.
Choose. Ah! Shoes. And I like shoes.
Fire! It's so cute.